Thanks so much for staying with us this evening for the weather report and forecast. Now, across the Caribbean, we do have high pressure dominating most of the area. However, we still have those passing clouds, especially across sections of the Greater Antilles, helping to generate some isolated shower activity late in the evenings. We have seen the phenomenon across sections of southern Dominican Republic. We've also seen across the Jamaica area in the evenings where we do have convection building up in the late afternoons. If you look across in the Western Caribbean, we're also seeing cloudy conditions across the general area. Wind speeds are picking up across the area, so we do have that strong 20-knot wind gusting right through the area, carrying most of the moisture into the western portion of the Caribbean basin. Now, the forecast for tonight is for generally fair skies across most of the area. We're expecting the temperatures in Kingston to drop to about 24 degrees Celsius. We expect the temperature in Montego Bay to drop to about 23 degrees Celsius, and we do have northerlies expected across the north, across the south coast tonight, and we are expecting the winds across the north to be out of the east-southeast. Now, the forecast for tomorrow morning has partly cloudy conditions persisting right across the area, and then for the afternoon we still have those isolated showers developing across sections of inland areas and also across sections of the northwest. Temperatures are reaching 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and 30 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. The breakdown has partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions for much of the area. Expect some afternoon showers if you're in Maypen or in Mandeville. We're expecting it to be partly cloudy across sections of Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril, with some showers likely in the afternoon in Lucy. It's partly cloudy in Montego Bay and Falmouth. Partly cloudy conditions are also persisting for most of the north, including St. Anne's Bay as well as Ocho Rios, Port Maria, and Port Antonio. We do have some showers likely in the evening to afternoon in Golden Spring. We're expecting it to be partly cloudy for Bogwalk. Now, in Christiana, we're expecting partly cloudy conditions. Further west in Grange Hill, you can expect some isolated afternoon showers. Similar conditions for Duncans, also for K Valley, while it's partly cloudy to mostly cloudy in Richmond and in Moortown. Now, the next few days, isolated showers are expected in the afternoons on Saturday and Sunday, but on Monday, expect partly cloudy conditions for much of the afternoon for most of the area. Now, the winds. Across the north coast tomorrow, we're expecting an east-northeasterly wind at 15 to 20 knots, while wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters, and we're keeping our small craft warning in effect for inshore areas of the south coast. Winds are reaching 25 knots from the east-northeast, with wave heights getting up to 2.5 meters. And we're also keeping that warning in effect for offshore areas for east-northeasterly winds at 20 to 25 knots and wave heights between 2 and 2.5 meters. Now, the offshore outlook has winds expected from the east-northeast at 15 to 20 knots on Sunday and also on Monday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 5:48, at 5:51 in Mandeville, and at 5:54 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.